Sport. Many Scottish people love sport. And in Scotland, many people play golf. The rich and the not so rich. Golf began in this country, and the golf capital of Scotland is St Andrews, a small university city near Edinburgh. There are more than 400 golf courses in Scotland, and many of them are very beautiful. In the summer, when the days are long, you can play from 7 in the morning to 10 at night. Football is also very important. In 2006, Scotland had the 10th highest number of football clubs of any country in the world. Celtic and Rangers are the biggest and the most famous Scottish clubs, but others, like Aberdeen, also do well in Scotland and in Europe. The Scots play rugby football too, and it is an important sport in Scotland. In 1990, Scotland beat England, Wales, Ireland and France at rugby, and every year the Scots want to do this again. But now Italy plays too, so they need to beat 5 countries, not 4. Scotland's hills and mountains are good for sports too. Walking, climbing, cycling, and more. And there are lots of exciting sports on, in, and under the water, in the lochs, rivers, and the sea. You can take a kayak down a fast river, for example, or out to sea. The rain does not matter when you do these sports. Between May and September, in more than 100 different places in Scotland, people meet at a Highland Games, a festival of Scottish sports and music. You can see big men tossing the caber, listen to Scottish music on the bagpipes, and watch Scottish dancing. Not all Scotsmen have kilts, but more and more of them wear one sometimes, and lots of people wear kilts to the games. When a Scotsman wears a kilt, he is saying, "I like being Scottish." A kilt needs about 6 meters of tartan. When one of the big clans, like Clan Donald, Mackenzie or Stuart, has a big meeting, people come from many countries. Many of them wear kilts in the clan tartan when they come. One clan in the USA, Clan Donald, has 4,000 families. Their families went from Scotland to the USA perhaps 150 years ago, but they still want to be Scottish.